This video explains how to find out the number of days in a certain month using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you two examples, and both of these examples are based on the example date that we can create in line 2 of the code. So after running this line of code, a new date object is appearing at the top right, which is called myDate. And we can print this date to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 3 of the code. And then you can see that our example date is the 10th of April 2023. Now let's assume that we want to know the number of days in the month April. Then we can use the functions of the lubridate package. And for this we first need to install and load the lubridate package, as you can see in lines 5 and 6 of the code. I have installed the package already, so for that reason I'm just going to load it with line 6 of the code. And after running this line of code, we can use the days in month function that is provided by the lubridate package, as you can see in line 8. And within this function we simply need to specify the name of our date object. So in this case our date object is called myDate. So after running line 8 of the code, you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that an output is returned, which is telling us that the month April has 30 days. So in this first example, I have explained how to use the lubridate package to extract the number of days of a certain month. However, it's also possible to use the Hmisc package for this task. And for this we first need to install and load the Hmisc package, as you can see in lines 10 and 11. I have installed this package as well, so for that reason I'm just going to load it with line 11 of the code. And after running this line of code, we can apply the monthDays function of the Hmisc package to our date, as you can see in line 13. So after running this line of code, you can see at the bottom that once again the value 30 is returned. However, this time we have used the Hmisc package instead of the lubridate package. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.